Hi guys, my name is Teacher Sunimi Olakojo, also known as Edisa. Yes, I'm an organic cosmetologist and a certified beautician. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. Okay, on this channel, I'd like to firstly tell you that the secret to ageless beauty is wholeness. What does that mean? It means that beauty is all encompassing, and that is why I've set up this channel so that you can understand the secret to true beauty via skincare recipes and some secret that I'm going to be sharing on this channel. You are going to be in for a ride, I promise you. Firstly, I'm be teaching how to make skincare recipes, different ones that are going to be healthy for you so that you will glow from within. There are several recipes out there, but mine is healthy. That is why I tell you that the secret to ageless beauty is wholeness, because health is wealth. It will boost you from inside out. These are the kind of recipes I'm going to be sharing on this channel. And mind you, it is not only about cream. Don't worry, I'm going to save that for when you subscribe. Please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell. I remain my humble self, Edisa for short. I'm going to see you next time. Bye.